What you making now, Connor?
Getting a stick on a gooey goo.
Glue?
Gooey goo.
Look at what a good job Connor's doing, putting each one on the glue very nicely. Are you going to count them? Can you count the balls?
2 balls. 2 balls.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Did you get them all? You did.
I did.
That one moved. Now, you have 1, 2, 3. Mommy didn't do a very good job. Yay! Good job, Connor!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
Yay.
I caught balls.
You counted them? Good job.
I want to go more glue.
Okay.